Hello students, let's see the third method for the preparation of aldehydes, that is from toluene. So this is also a named reaction. This is called a Etart's reaction. So from toluene also we can prepare aldehyde. So let's write the equation. So toluene is methyl benzene, that is methyl group on benzene ring. This is toluene. So toluene on treatment with CrO2Cl2. This reagent is called chromyl chloride. So toluene on treatment with chromyl chloride produces an intermediate compound that is actually a complex compound. We can draw the structure like this. So this is the complex formed in between. This on acid hydrolysis H3O plus will give the corresponding aldehyde. Here we will get benzaldehyde. So we have taken an aromatic compound or an aromatic hydrocarbon first. So this is an aromatic hydrocarbon toluene, so which gives an aromatic aldehyde itself. So benzaldehyde will be prepared from toluene. So toluene on treatment with chromyl chloride produces an intermediate complex which on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This is called a Etart's reaction. So we can write one more reaction for the preparation of benzaldehyde itself. That is also a named reaction. That is from an aromatic hydrocarbon benzene. So the fourth reaction is from benzene. So this is also an aromatic hydrocarbon. So definitely we will get benzaldehyde or aromatic aldehyde. So this named reaction, the name of this reaction is called Guttermann's Koch reaction. So Guttermann-Koch reaction. So Guttermann-Koch reaction. So this is from benzene. This reaction is from benzene we can prepare aldehyde or benzaldehyde. So benzene reacts with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So this is a reagent. So benzene on treatment with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 produces benzaldehyde. So CHO group will be introduced. Actually this is called a formyl group. CHO group is otherwise called a formyl group. So we can call this named reaction as Guttermann-Koch formylation reaction. So it is Guttermann-Koch formylation reaction or simply Guttermann-Koch reaction. So from benzene we will get benzaldehyde. So this reaction is called a Guttermann-Koch reaction. So these are the four important methods for the preparation of aldehydes. First one is Rosenmund reduction, second one is Stephens reduction, third one is Etart's reaction, and fourth one is Guttermann-Koch reaction. So this is about the preparation of aldehydes.